Captain Smart of Onua TV ababe tozi nana Addo dankwa Kufuado de ntia Boankra inland port antimi ama so no na Captain echiremu se man bi ya wono secure contract no wo ye senka edin no wo ye ne Asante port ema wo mo etiase ema ne contract ema be man ekope $350 million wo de ebeye na adwuma na wo be start adwuma na no ene wo mo se trade from above aba ese wo mo nkobusa Asante hene se Boankra inland port wo mo se yemfre na Asante port no anye bia ne de wo mu ana in fact wa bet to be a man woman na wa be expose wo pa na owi ye no se land bi wo ho a land na enu 10 acres wo mo se wo mo e kodu so a wo mo de sika almost something million US dollars and akodu asase a enu 10 acres so ensem ne de waka bebre yentie no
wo mo ye ya de wo mani kosi otumfo so me meka o time na abrante bi ekoye Boankra inland port,
yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
And a branch no koye de say, ye friend Asante port. Wa register we. Mo am the contract na ma no. Say ye friend Asante port. When ye the contract we could secure $350 million loan. Or the koye Boankra. Million Asante for mo tebie. Document na gu table so say ehun say etwe audio sika ho na okwa akwaje sika na de aba yes say order free Jubilee House aba say yen konko bi so tumfo say Asante port no ka ho ana
okay ho say o share so na
masa me meka o me meka wo pata me wo pape masem me mfa wo me say me go me pese obi abedo me I don't need anybody to love me it me buy obi aso ndo me da apart from me mama obi ani asase so odo me wo catch am say you love me we your ba captain I love you Jimino. You don't love me, Bia. You are interested in my popularity. You are interested in my fame. You are interested in Kakra. You don't love me. We. Jimino, when I can't say you love me, can you love me? Now you tell me a small buffalo. One quadru mention.
Every Jubilee House.
Every Jubilee House. One quadru mention. I want to me. Akufa between ya kukudro busa otumfo say Asante by a port no kan no otumfo company
de odi bia na ewra o de ka ho ana
ebuo hina nim to a level say you know the story.
I know
it's good you know.
I know the story pa
and am Santi and Boankra maso no se munima me ka kire mo
say be you besi
say abrantie na ono kopa ni sika Edi beye Boankra Kufuado man the then transport minister twa contract no mu say we see Ghana or judgment debt of $5 billion US. Was he
from $350 million
to $5 billion
to
$5 billion say Bahama negotiate or part of because social contract no mu any the MPP here na Ghana by any choice and so o part of and yes, sir, we be to a judgment debt of $5 billion US. Me catch them 3 months ago. Peter, as I say, Debbie, you see, you could do so. As I say, you're grader.
You're
clear, so almost sanctioned $24 million. Say, grader, on Fendi. Asasia Andrew 10 acres so
now I say papa now you the $1 million square to go term now you that's $24 million
eh dey go for na Akufo-Addo to be nya da to be kwatra Asante him yase kocho tumfo Asante ni tirimu wasempa me nchiawo
asem na ba
me nchiawo me town amam wa husam town me nshada meye Ghana fo ade no fanfa ena muna wutirim me papa Akufo na muna ni tirim me mamuna manim me mo wa husam wajimi jimi no me chiao Asante ni de tirim wasempa me kwadwo me fi wo enu bi no mo ye yakwa me kuma chi JB dan kwa wo ne nam krom ha that's how you before the can some full Ghana ha Say Kwame Kromachi JB Dankwa. That's Aquano. Kwame Kran the Timu Empire Sampron. Men come up na Natum. Owie ye no den si ye. Owie di na chiri no san kofa sampan. Wo fantini a wa betra Asante. Wanyiri wa Asante. Ya tete wa Asante. Wa kira de wa Asante. Na Asante ne hu say kejetia market no ka dem agro ni gu. Anya ye nuanom Asante fo no nya ba bi ntena. Endidwa Kwame Nkrumah hu nyansa hu say no region bia wo say de nyame ye won. Asante region wo ye den wo medidwa. Wo kwa kejetia marketer Abraham behu obi okuta master's degree mienu.
Yeah.
Not on Toma.
Yeah.
Or Twanwene.
Yes, that's true, yeah.
That's Kumasi for you.
Yeah.
That's Ashanti for you.
Yeah.
Masa, certificate. Me say yes, I'm a PhD ni professor certificate. Let me wua. Me ba bless. Or the better chinkate. In fact, we be any so certificate paper no A4 sheet no. In fact, we be any who so a title kwa Doctor so and so, Professor so and so. Nyansa be any. Nipa here omo asase so from Modonkuma bo ade be si ne PhD holders and professors. How many professors are billionaires and millionaires in the world? Yeah. Who ne who certificate in faso ni so ba usika who ne mfaso so.
Next of kin ho.
Next of kin won't be for certificate. Ofeska.
Odisika.
Ofeska. It's Asante sika. No, too far kase. Me ama ko Fidelity Bank to asway. To story no so.
Radija go for.
Oh, too far in the Fidelity Bank. When him say ni kwasa ohene Bobisia. Any kwasa ohene oni obi atena se negotiate say be ya ade we. O too far so say hey bra. Kowie. O too far nka koye. Kowie.
Yeah.
No, too far ni Fidelity Bank atena se. Aye, she Fidelity Bank the sika ba be shake ATM.
Then you go from market.
Come from.
Yeah, go from.
Am o matimi awie. Sampan kwankwasan ya.
Jendenu.
Order from Jubilee House. Jubilee House will say, "Ompene."
But they about one year.
Ampani MPP.
One year.
Sampan KMA boss. Akufo-Addo president. One year. Indicate from market. Akamurem. Bisa Sampan. Enche obekwa kwatena sa mu Peace FM na kwatena kwa bisifa kan anim ho. Akeka nkwa asem. Wo kọ mesa respond. Ekowie say. Why you?
And I said that we go the same as I pray. I don't know. Joma see kenye ti ade man. Why am I kenye ti ase? O se ma kenye ti ase dweme. Till now.
Ketia. Mahama wie ye. No a sign contract that every single store yaman meter.
Yeah.
Nana do ba ye no. Otena ho the meter ba ko pema the whole Ketia 5,000 stores we use 1 meter. A time akuma 5,000 1 meter ye 1.
Okay.
Meboa. What do you that was my boy this one. What the hell that was?
Oh my God.
5,000 stores.
I come go.
And you see 1 meter.
I'm saying central meter.
Say centralized meter. Now that the greater cry now you meter in your back. What I want to say? Ankatentra. Aho. Kufo. Akademia Addo Kufo pe. Time Akufo-Addo te akonya so mampani no. Ninu ina di na chiko programs. When was the last time you saw the bumpties, the whines following him? They are all afraid. Because Akufo-Addo fear membu no so wie ye na wo mo hwe nkratem no mu sa wo mo bra no trouble won team. So, Abane Chabawie, Captain, if you don't know where you are coming from, you can never tell where you want to go. without a hometown cannot describe a town that he want to live in. Eti omaina yetimu ono. And Crofoni betra ye konso. And sometimes I look at Afenyo Markins and I can tell say, no, that man, he needs some psychiatric attention. No, you see, with him, and yes, I said, yes, I mean, didn't tell him patrol. Tell me, mammy explaining. What was say? I did a kufado ye no. Na Afenyo Markin him say, Mumu didn't say na onim. Who told you he doesn't know? Who told you he didn't know? He knew about every single goddamn thing they were doing. But at that material moment, the president says that Osei Sambusu, an experienced politician, or yeah, Santininti, you feel so too powerful. Young one to go. Young good animasi. Say yeah, Honorable Abraham Oseyedu. Yeah, come on, push him away. Now, Fayomra, eh? Mammy can't quite me Joe. I feel marking. No pet. Cause I shoot now near the man. Or say Chairman Sabonsu. The experience size, no, size 52. I feel marking the nice size, let's say. Prof. Oh, that be
extra small.
That be Martin nice so chain. Felix Enima Pew.
We're none
size 52. As against size 3.
-3.
Size 3, oh.
Size -3.
Felix Enima Pew, the nice size. And now, you did question or say Chairman Sabos, the nice size 52. Oh, Mammy Felix Enima Pew picture. About the nice size is size 3. Meanwhile, I penny chairman. Eti, Afenyo Markin Nankasa who said, no, Charlie, a day, I'm money, mammy. But I am saying, Gabi, finance minister, Obi or 3D2, and the 2 to Addo Johnny, Santimedi 2. One must say, Eti, on one case, Afenyo Markin no wohono. And near my course when it trim in that dream. Enti no timi tena from say gba no run socks or abonten. Akwa try you ko so here demonstration no run shoe. Minority leader run shoe abonten we do twist from wo chante. Wo chante in each akwa no we nya bail. These are the realities on the ground. Take Captain Smart out of the equation. Me Rambo style, I was arrested on several occasions. Na metiana me kase Kufuor time womo koche when the chain was sorry dem no. Oh, Chachu,
yeah, Chukacha.
Me tia sorry dem me na kwa me kojama me tia sorry dem. Pentecost sorry dem. Me hear praises